Today I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily convert a photo to a PDF right from your phone. Whether you're using an Android or iPhone, I've got you covered. First things first, let's start with iPhone. Open the Photos app and select the photo you want to turn into a PDF. Tap on the photo you want to convert, tap the share icon, and from the share menu, select print. You don't need to have a printer connected. This is just part of the conversion process. On the print option, use a pinch out gesture on the photo preview to open it to a full view. Now tap the share icon again in the top right corner and choose to save to files. Pick your desired location and tap on save. Now your photo is now of PDF. Sure, super simple, right? Now let's switch over to Android. On Android, you can use the Google Photos app or a built-in tool if available. Open the app where your photo is stored, choose the photo you want to convert, and tap the three-dot menu icon and select print. In the print option, select save as PDF from the printer drop-down menu. Tap the PDF icon and choose your save location. Confirm by tapping save. Your photo is now saved as PDF. And there you have it. Converting a photo to a PDF on your phone is quick and easy whether you're using an iPhone or Android. If you have any questions or run into any issues, drop a comment below and we'll help you out.